Hello guys, this is Alpha Nova. So I'm going to show you how to download a file straight to your D drive or your C drive. So it's actually switching storage. For example, if you think your C drive is full and you want to switch to your D drive, so this is what you're going to do. You're first going to you go to Google Chrome. I recommend that you use Google Chrome. It's the best way to do this. So you go on Google Chrome, you go to settings, and on settings you scroll down, you click on advanced, down, and then we are looking for downloads here. So on downloads you click on change, and then it will ask you where you want to store your all your downloads. So it's either you choose your C drive or your D drive. So let's say I choose the C drive. Yeah, and I click on select folder, and you can also click on this so that you get a notification every time you want to save any downloads. It will first ask you whether which part of the computer, which part of your system that you want to store it on. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to download Steam. You click on install, or here better. So now it asks you where you want to store all your downloads. So you can select either you want to store it on the D drive or on the C drive. On the C drive. So yeah, that's basically all that it is. So let's install it on a C drive. Let me choose a folder. Basically, okay, on a C drive. Same kind of program. Okay. Okay, let me create a new file. Alright, so we're gonna go to the file location, and you click on show folder location. So here it is. It's on a C drive. So if I want to download it or move it to the D drive, well, you don't have to download it. You just have to go to move to, and then you choose where you want to move it to. So let's say this time move it to the D drive. I just have to click on the D drive, and here we are. So yeah, that's basically all that is. So if you need any help on anything, you just let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.